the coastline, and as that starts to shift to the east, we'll see warm days, kind of this warm air mass hovering over the state, and numbers that will be well above average for this time of year. Here's a peek at those temps right now for you. 80 for Prescott, 88 for Kingman, Gila Bend in triple digits still at 103, 84 Winslow and St. John's currently at 80 degrees. And then as we take a look at our temp today, just above average, hitting 100 degrees, normally sitting just a degree below that, and 114 the record for this day. We set that back in 1910. If you don't like the warm numbers, you won't like what I'm about to show you, because we're going to see a steady increase in those temps above the century mark for your Saturday into your Sunday. Take a look at these numbers. 106, 108, huge gap between our normal line and what we're going to see on these days. Very dry conditions as well. And we're only going to get a little bit of relief as we get into the start of next work week. Your Monday and Tuesday, a little bit of a drop in temperature, but still on the warm side. Now, nationally, you just saw the footage of those tornadoes. Many more reports of tornadoes touching down, but first wanted to show you some active weather through parts of Wyoming, Montana, North and South Dakota, where we're getting 1 to 3 inches of rainfall that could lead to some flooding issues. The even bigger weather maker, though, this cold front. And then that warm up begins as we make our way up to 102, 106, and then potentially 107, 108 as we make our way into your weekend.
But I mean,
we love your earrings.
Oh, thank you. Charming Charlie's. No, I know you guys were commenting on the traffic a little bit earlier, and you know, the Valley, one of the places that is pretty congested. If you've dealt with rush hour in the morning or the evening, you obviously know it. And TomTom, a GPS company, put out a pretty comprehensive study, or released the results from that recently. They took a look at traffic in the U.S., Canada, South America, and Mexico to compare traffic in the major